guys, welcome to my channel again. It's me again guys. I come back for many days or many weeks that I didn't make my vlog because my blog because I was very busy. So now I'm here again and I'm just updating my weight now guys, and look at me guys. It seems like I'm I'm putting on weight, because of what I eat outside. Uh, Almost every day dining in outside. So this is it, and now this is me. But anyway, mga palangga, I fighting my weight now because I go back to zero again. What's for my way of eating? But then I disappointed because of this way of my size. But anyway, my size is just a little bit of but it's not a little bit actually, because I'm just very sad because my weight now is went up to 5 kilos, and which is normally my ideal weight is 40 kilo. No, it's not 40, sorry, it's 50 kilos. So before uh, after I doing my low carbs diet, and this time maybe I neglect my diet for many weeks. That's why I fought on weight. I become like this. So now, mga palangga, my weight is 55 kilos, which is I want to go down. I want this weight to go down by, drop by uh, 50 kilos, and let's see within this 1 month, then I update you the progress of my way of eating. So this is it for today, mga palangga, and thanks for supporting me because uh, supporting my channel, and hopefully you all guys don't tired watching my movies. So keep on watching, and thanks for watching, and bye bye for now. Bye bye.